Miami, the Playboy's paradise. Pretty girls, fast cars, that's just a facade. The bridge separates South Beach from my Miami. The real Miami, the M.I.A.O. This is where we hustle.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm hustling.
Who you suckers think you're tripping with? Yes, I'm the boss. 745, white on white, that's Rick Ross. I keep them wide, I keep them long, I keep them fat. I keep them coming back, we keep them coming back. I'm in the distribution, I'm like Atlantic. I got them pretty things flying across the Atlantic. I know Pablo Noriega, the real Noriega. He owe me 100 favors. I ain't petty player, we buy the whole thing. See, most of my homies hustle, they still do their thing. My roof back, my money ride. I'm on the pedal, show you what I'm running like. When they snatch black, I cry for 100 nights. He got 100 bodies, serving 100 lives.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm.
We never steal cars, but we hard. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. I call the charge, I call the charge. Whip it real hard, whip it real hard. Ain't about no funny stuff, still flipping them chickens. I'm on my money stuff, still whipping them Benzes. Major league, who catching because I'm pitching? Jose Canseco just snitching because he finished. I feed them steroids to strengthen up all my chickens. They flying over Pacifics to be specific. Triple C's, you know it's fact. We holding sacks, so they can gon' rap. Run and tell them that. More cars, more O's, more clothes, more.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm.
It's time to spin my thrills, custom spinning wheels. I ain't drove in a week, them just spinning steel. Talk about me, cause these suckers scared to talk about me. Killers talking about me, it ain't no talk about me. It ain't no walking around me. See all these killers around me, lot of around me going down in Dade County. Don't tote no 22s, cost me 22. Sat it on them 22. Lil' mama super thin, she say she 22. She seen them 22, we in room 222. I touch work like I'm convertible Burt. I got distribution, so I'm converting the work. In the M.I.A.O. Them rich off, yeah yo. My shit banging, yeah yo.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm.
Rouse.
Push it to the limit. Good morning, chat. We're back. We're doing it live. We're at the BDH. You know how we do, baby. You know how we do. Push it to the limit. Push it real good. All right. We've got the Nasdaq. Pull it up here on the charts. Looking like a bit of a bull flag building out here right now. We're above the VWAP. We're at yesterday's close. I told you all yesterday, before I walked away yesterday, what did I say? Anybody remember? Anybody? 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 Go long and go to lunch. Hey, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Basically 11 o'clock yesterday. I said go long, go to lunch. And, well, look at that. All the way up there to the 570s. I think it was pretty obvious how we took out the low there. We pushed back up. We had that bull flag. It was, you know, let it go, you know. Go long, go to lunch. Get paid. That's all we were looking for. Real simple, real easy. I like it like that. 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 Ended up locking in $20,000 in profit there yesterday. This was my, I had a position running from the 407s. And nice little trade there yesterday. Hey, don't overcomplicate it, my friends. Don't overcomplicate this shit. Push it to the limit, baby. All right. Let's get ready here. Let's get ready here. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look. Look. NVIDIA right now. NVIDIA up almost 2% on the day. I'm not going to complain because, well, y'all know I'm real fucking long on NVIDIA. Like, Daddy's real long. Daddy is real long, Landon. Daddy is real long on NVIDIA, Landon. We got Landon back here today. He's trading. He's ready to go. He's ready to make some money. He woke up this morning. First thing he asked me is, what did the market do overnight? And I said, little buddy, I haven't even looked. I haven't even looked at the market all night long. But first thing he said this morning is, what did the market do overnight? I can't keep him away. He's addicted. He's addicted to the money. He's ready. We're doing it live. Me and my 12-year-old, BDH baby. Hey, I'm telling you right now, I put $100,000 on the fact that my 12-year-old can outtrade any of the Top Step TV coaches. $100,000, 12-year-old versus a full-grown man. $100,000 all day. All day. I told him this morning, I was like, look, simple. Keep it simple, my friend. Look for the bull flags. Look for the bear flags. Take the breakout. Make the money. Walk away. And that's what we're going to do here. That's what we're going to do here. Buddy Love, did you just chat GPT that? We got Buddy Love in the chat. I think he's confused what's going on here. Did you know that the pass rate is about 1.25%? Buddy. See, how fucking dumb are you? I want you to tell me that you're dumb without telling me you're dumb. First off, it's sim funded, so there is no slippage. There is no fill delay. I don't know if you ever noticed, but it's very easy to get filled on the sim. Actually, an insider from an actual prop firm, maybe a Forex firm, there's no slippage. There's no slippage in futures. What are you talking about? You literally get filled instantly, especially on a sim funded account. What's this guy talking about? Get him out of here. I got no time for this guy. Buddy Love coming in here. Did you know? We know, Buddy Love. We know that you're a moron. We know. Put an egg in your shoe and beat it, Buddy Love. Ooh, got some comebacks here this morning. All right. Again, just to make it clear, the great thing about the prop firm space or the futures space is, number one, they're not engineering slippage, right? They're just not doing it. You know, Landon, that short that you took earlier, that would have been a long, bro. When we're above that blue line, go long. When we're below it, go short. You know what I mean? Makes sense? Above the blue line, long. Below it, short. Talking to showing Landon right now. We're looking at his screen. He took a little short here earlier. Got chopped out there, but it would have ended up paying, but now push it back up. So yeah, when we're bouncing, you know, off of those off the 21 EMA there and all that, you got to trade that, baby. You got to trade the bounce. Ride the momentum. That's your moving average, that blue line. So when we're above it, look for the longs. When we're below it, look for short opportunities. And obviously, look at the bigger time frame as well. What are we doing in the bigger time frame? We're going up. The trend is your friend. The trend is your friend, my young friend. I know you're only 12, but you're going to learn very easily. You're going to learn a very valuable lesson as a day trader, that the trend is your friend. There you go. Trade the friend. If you're afraid of slippage, then lower your size. Again, guys, there's no slippage. It's sim funding. It's easy to get in, to get out. It's not like, it's not hard. You know what I mean? Like, you can literally put on 15 contracts and you can get filled instantly. Watch. 15 contracts long. Put my order right above it. Okay. Look at that. Instantly filled. No problem. What is so confusing? There's no slippage. I literally just put on 15 contracts and got filled instantly, 75 points above. There's no slippage. No slippage. All right, so far we're up $178 on the day. Look at the commissions on that one trade. Oh, buddy, we were rich. We are rich, but just proving the point that with sim funding accounts, there's no slippage. So the prop firms themselves are not trying to engineer slippage. Whereas the Forex firms, 100%, they're doing some weird shit. That's why I don't trade Forex. I trade futures. Because the fact that I can get in, I can get out, and no problem, you know? So, we're going. Let the kid be a kid, bro. 5. Yeah, no, 5 might be too early to start trading them. When to trade. That might be a little early. There is a video on my YouTube channel of Landon back in the day. Where is it? Well, I think he was 10 at the time. Yeah, 2 years ago we made. Look at him. Dude, Landon, look at you, bro. Look at you, dude. You're like a little baby back then. Just a little baby boy. Dude, you were so young. Wow. I think that's been about 3 years now. But yeah, there's a video of Landon back in the day when he had blonde hair trying to copy me. Nasdaq will sell from 21,636. Okay, Bond, we see your comment. We'll be here. You keep doing you, baby. Right now, Nasdaq pushing up there, 21,546 is. The new truck, man, it's nice. I got a new truck yesterday. It's real big. It's real big. I know what people are going to say. They're going to be like, Patrick, do you have a small dick? And I'm going to say, well, I mean, I got a big truck. That's all I can say. Look at that thing. Look how big this thing is. Oh, my Lord. Victoria's, she's like 5'9", 5'8", and she can barely see in the windows. But people always ask me, like, man, why do you have such a big truck? And I was like, well, it keeps the fat girls out. True story. Big trucks, the big girls can't get in it. Only girls that are doing Pilates. Look at that. Look at that step up there. Oh, the muscles. Oh, she's pushing to the limit. Look at those wheels. Oh my God, it's huge. Look at the tires. They're literally the tires. I can't see it here, but if you look, the tires are taller than Victoria's waist. This morning I was going to the gym. It was pouring down rain, a lot of water. Luckily, I have a lifted truck. You know, luckily. And then even yesterday, me and Landon, we were driving home from Miami, and a car full of girls pulled up next to us, started honking at us. 37s? No, sir, those are 42s. Those are 32s. I mean, 42s, 37s. Come on. I got 37s on my fucking Raptor with no lift kit. She's definitely not a trailer queen. I'm going to pull boats with that. It's got an any level lift on it. It can go up and down. Relax, chat. Relax. Don't come at me. Do-do-do-do-do. Where am I talking? I hear myself talking. I mean, this morning there was like 3 feet of water on my street. Look at this bull flag right now. I think we got 10 o'clock news here, a little 10 o'clock news, right? So, let's see how she goes. Still got plenty of time till market opens. No rush. The ES right now, ES is actually still kind of holding on there below yesterday's close. The Nasdaq above yesterday's close. Obviously, the ES high yesterday there, 5,955. So we'll see what happens Tuesday. More money to be made. More money to be made, baby. Trying to make that money. Make that money. Make the honeys. Make the money. It's so funny. We got the money. I like to party. I like to party, party. Maybe I missed it, but I haven't heard you talk much about your new place that you moved into. I mean, I think I've talked about it, but I'm not probably going to show it because I don't want people to know where I live because I got swatted in the last house, so trying to avoid showing my new house so that I don't get swatted again. Swatted. Where'd that truck at? I want that reel first. Big reels. Keep pumping. Need like a big song. Big song. Big song. Where's your old girlfriend? I don't know. Where's your girlfriend at? The fuck? People ask the weirdest questions. Captain Jim said, how did he not get caught? Well, I think there's ways of hiding it, basically. Does he not have school? No, Landon dropped out. He's 12 years old. He said that he no longer wants to go to school. So he's going to just work at the BDH full-time. No more school for Landon. Full-time trading. You're going to make more money than your teachers make. That's for sure. You can go back to school after the summer and tell all your teachers that you make more money than them. See what they say. When they tell you got to learn math, you say, I don't need no math. I just get long on the Nasdaq and make money, teacher. What are you talking about? Don't say that, actually. But you could say that if you want. I mean, don't do it. Be a good boy. Landon actually gets fucking straight A's, by the way. He's too smart. Any plans to get married? I don't know. Don't worry about me. Maybe at some point. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Hey, Patrick, with the 350 algorithm, I've gained a lot of success, but is it against Apex rules for 1 point? Yeah, I don't know. That might be a little tricky. If you're just gambling on the 350 algorithm every day, they might not like that. Landon is his kid or his brother? He's my son. I'm 36 years old, so if he was my brother, that would be a little weird. He feels like my little bro, though. He's my little bro. Are you fishing the ladies' fish off? Probably not. I don't have a boat right now. I sold my boat. So, no. No ladies' fish off for me. All right. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here, being patient. We'll see how this plays out at open right now. Looking at the bigger picture, Kind of looks like we need some pullback here on the hourly chart. You know, we'll see. All right, so we're pretty much just sitting right there at yesterday's close. I think the overnight kind of big old bear flag, big old bull flag here overnight. We broke out, pushed up there to that dotted line. Like I said, right now, NVIDIA. What'd you do, just buy a car? Yeah. I got an email saying you bought a car. What do you buy, a Chevy SS? Really? That's weird. Yeah. I don't know, this music might be too happy. Why is this music so happy? Need some, like, scarier music. Too happy music. All right, going into open right now, we're holding up there at yesterday's close, this 530, 540 area. We've got kind of yesterday's high, right? Yesterday's high up there. If we go straight up at open, I mean, we're only like 30 points from yesterday's high. That would be kind of, I guess, a good target to look for, but just, you know, being patient, no rush. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, chat. Someone said if it gets above 560, it could go all the way to 860. Let's take a look. Yeah. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. That's really the next level. This would have been, what was that news when we dropped there that morning? I forgot what news that was, but we pulled back here and kind of like a big inverse head and shoulders. How is it since driving that truck? Oh, man. Let's just say I get real high in that thing, you know? The best part is it has the suspension, so it goes up and down. You can adjust the suspension. It's pretty sick. The cool thing is, like, you know, hey, you know that there ain't no, you know, you're the biggest, you're the largest when you drive it around. You'll pull up next to a semi truck and you look down on them. You're like, oh, look at that little semi truck over there. Where is your kid at? Right now he's on the driving simulator. We'll see. He'll probably trade here once the market opens. How's the gas? Bro, you think I ever care about the gas? People always ask me, like, what's the gas mileage? Do you think I ever look at the price? I literally just swipe the fucking Amex. I fill it up. I don't look at the price of the gas. And I always put the best gas, you know, the premium in there as well. Trust me, the least of my worries is gas. That's the least of my worries. Trader Don C. PW, I'm traveling to Miami next week from Chile, South America. Is there another Chile? Is there a Chile in South Africa? Chile! I mean, the boat gas is about $3,000 to fill the boat up. The truck is diesel, by the way. Yeah. The boat gas is the problem, not the truck gas. Overboard fishing, put 400 gallons in the yellowfin. Oh, buddy, that hurts. Filling up the 500-gallon tank hurts. Anything over 100 gallons, you're like, ooh, that hurts. How long have you been trading? What year is it? It's 2025. I started in 2016, basically. So whatever, do the math on that. Patrick, any idea why my Tradeovate looks choppy and yours is smooth? Is there anything I need to activate? Maybe better internet? Do you show your son entries or do you let him do his shit alone? Yeah, no, I don't tell him when to buy and sell. Trader Don C, send an email to g@onlypropfirms.com. Maybe we'll let you stop by and say what's up when you're here. How long did it take you to become profitable? I'm still not profitable. So, one day. Why does the boat gas cost so much? Because they charge you extra because it's on the water. Basically, whenever the price of gas goes up, the price of gas on the water goes up, but it never goes down. Right? No matter what, the price of gas on the water never goes down. It's just like basically it goes up and then it never goes down. Does Victoria have a sister? She does. She does. Oh, you like that big truck? You gotta drive it around, Ginger. I want to see Ginger drive the big truck. She'll be so polite. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why don't you make it full screen, bro? You just gotta stretch it out. No, it will. You just gotta stretch it. What? I swear to God, you just gotta stretch it out. I gotta help my son really quickly here at the simulator. Hold on, chat. What? What? That's what you gotta do. You gotta click it out so it doesn't go in. So it goes. Oh, he tried. Chirped. Editor getting chirped by the 12-year-old. The editor told Jason, the editor told Landon that the far left pedal is the clutch, and Landon go, yeah, I'm not dumb. Got him. Got him. Just like the chat, just like his daddy, baby. "12 years old, already chirping back. Let's go." What time is it? It's currently 9:22. You got 8 minutes until market open, my friend. 8 minutes till market open. I thought this was hilarious yesterday on Twitter. I love Twitter because it's just fun to mess around with all the fucking retards. But first off, well, we had a couple retards, but Dakota is so funny because he'll go on Twitter and be like, guys, keep saying, I don't care if people talk about me. I don't care if people talk about me. But then he posts all day long about haters and people talking about him. So literally yesterday, he posted 4 times about me talking about him. But he won't admit the fact that he can't make money in a live account. So it's just like, just admit it, bro. Admit it. Admit it. Admit it, you motherfucker. And then this kid, look at this kid. God, we gotta start shaming these idiots. Oh my God, Nasdaq going straight up here. All right, every 18-year-old kid who's trying to sell a course or trying to sell some bullshit on the internet, shame on you. Shame. You're 18 years old. You don't know shit. Get the fuck out of here. We don't want to buy your Discord. Get these kids off the internet. It should be a new thing. If you're fucking 18 years old, you cannot sell a Discord. Get these motherfuckers out of here. Also, what's up with NinjaTrader? NinjaTrader over here trying to be all like, hey guys, we love the gays. Our platform is so gay friendly. You know, we have our trading platform, it's beautiful for gay people. I'm like, the last time I checked, I don't remember when the stock market ever gave a fuck about my sexual orientation. You know, it's like, come on. Why is this a thing? Hey, and again, I love gays. I'm all for it. I'm not against it, but I just don't understand how, if I was gay, I'd be pissed off. You know? I'd be mad. I'd be like, you don't support me. All you have is a fucking trading platform. Who do you think you are? You know, like what? You literally make a trading platform. What does that have to do with being gay? There is nothing. I mean, this is the way I look at it is, this is fucking gay. This is a gay ass post. Like this post right here is gay. And again, I love gay people. I'm all for it. If you're gay, hell yeah, I'm all for it. More women for me. You know, that's the way I look at it. More gay guys, more women for me. But obviously I've got Victoria, by the way, happily in love. But if I was single, that's the way I look at it. Victoria actually has a really good friend who's a gay guy. And I love the guy. He's great. He's fun. I got nothing against gay people. But it's just like, why? Why is this the world that we live in today? Why is NinjaTrader posting that we're building a world where everyone's true self is their strongest asset? You know? The Nasdaq don't care if you're gay. It don't care what color your skin is. It don't care. The Nasdaq's not like, oh, this guy's black and he's gay, so we're going to give him extra good fills today. You know? Nasdaq going to be like, hey, Patrick's white and he's a male. Fuck, he's a straight white guy. Oh, he's fucked. We're gonna get him real good today. There you go. I'll be gay for better fills. I like that idea. I'll be gay for better fills on the Nasdaq if it helps me. I identify as gay while I'm trading so that I get better fills. Oh, Lord. All right, we got about 3 minutes here till the market opens. Amen, brother. What if they said that the trading platform was for white men? Yeah, no, that would be fucking, that would not, well, I mean, honestly, no, that'd be bad. That'd be bad. It'd be bad. It'd be not good. It'd be not good. It'd be not good, for sure. Someone said, I'm not gay, but $5 is $5. Amen, brother. Hey, I blew my snot out of my nose. I just laughed so hard. I'm over here laughing so hard. I got snot coming out of my nose. $5 is $5. Oh, man. I would say some other jokes, but my 12-year-old's here, so I'll try to not. I won't say all the good jokes that I got. I'll keep it PG, PGR, PG-13 at least. He's 13, so I'll keep it. The BDH is PG-13 rated. All right, PG-13 rated. All right. All right, we got what, 40 seconds? No, 2 minutes here till the market opens. 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. You gonna get in on this action lane, or are you gonna race? You got 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes. He's over there racing. Are you ready? What's your plan? Go long at open? Honestly? All right, he thinks he's gonna go up at open. He's spoken. The 12-year-old savant has spoken. All right, we got the VWAP to the downside. We've got yesterday's high up there, 21,578. Let's see what happens here at open, my friends. If we start ripping, I might just go all in, let it rip up there to the 580s, take profit. Let's just be patient. Before trading, what was I doing? I was gay. I was just being gay. That was what I was doing before trading. And now I'm just a gay trader. It's great. You want to hold along? Well, it's about to open. You got 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds, bro. Hold your long. Hold your long, bro. If we break above, I'm just going to go here. Maybe. Right here. Market's about to open. We're long. See if we can't just rip straight up there. Fill me at the 68s. And, oh! Look at that gay-ass candle. Look at that. Look at that. See? I told you it was going to go up. Did you make it? You trying to get to the 600s? Why are you being so greedy? Look at this kid. He's on fire right now, chat. He's on fire. He's up $200 on micros. He wants $5.99 for the 12-year-old. Come on, you gay-ass Nasdaq. Hit us. I want to be gay, boys. Oh, God. Come on, Nasdaq. I will be gay. I will be gay. I'm telling you, you gotta love it. You just got, look at this kid. My 12-year-old still long right now. Up there to the 590s. Oh, man. There's our target. Yesterday's high. You took some profit. I like it. Hey, you locked it in. Landon locked it in there on the pullback. That's still from the 44s up to the 80s. Let's go, chat. All right. Now what happens? There's that push. This is exactly what we were looking for. It's right up there to that yellow line. I locked it in already. Nice little $5,000 there. $5,000 on the first trade of the day. 9 seconds. 9 seconds. 9 seconds, chat. Look at that. Nice little pullback. Landon took the profit already. I like to see that. We love to see it. Love to see it, Landon. Someone said, why did I get long? Well, very simple. Take a look. Yesterday's high, right there. We're opening up only 40 points, basically below yesterday's high. I was very confident we would break above yesterday's high at least. So. Your son's with you and you're talking gay. Pretty sick. Not really. I mean, he's almost 13 years old. It's not, I mean, I don't, what's so sick about it? Welcome to the real world, you know? Welcome to the real world. I don't hide my son from life, you know? Trust me, he plays Fortnite. You guys should hear the shit that they're saying on Fortnite. Trust me, it is a lot worse than anything that I say on at the BDH. You know, trust me. I don't know if you ever played Fortnite before, but those fucking kids on Fortnite, they're a little racist. They fucking say all type of homophobic shit. It gets really weird. All right, Nasdaq pulled back. We bounced off that close from yesterday. Now what do we do? Now what is the play here? It's kind of like maybe if we get back like above 550s, we could start to push back again. But that 5-minute candle not looking too hot right now. Let this 5-minute candle close. Might need a little bit more pullback here. Nvidia pulling back hard right now. So, well, not hard, but Nvidia pulled right back to the open as well. What? What is it? What was it? A roach? Oh, no. Dakota is long at the 530s. Should we go short? Oh, God. You're going to go short, Landon? Oh, man. Landon's he's ruthless. Oh, wait. No, he's short, actually. Short at the 530s. Never mind. Don't go short. JK. He's short. Sorry. It's hard to read. He's short at the 533s. Where are you at? Right now, I'm waiting for something to happen here. We got 10 o'clock news. We got the 10 a.m. Jolt's job opening report at 10 a.m. I mean, I don't hate the short here, but I don't love the fact that Dakota is short. So it's like he loses 70% of the time. So I don't know. Might not be a good time to put a short on. All right, so we hit our first objective, basically straight up there at open. We hit our first objective. We pushed right up there at open. You can see my trade here. I went long right there at open and took a quick 20 points, basically, and locked in $5,000 there in 9 seconds. That might be a record. That might be a record, you know? So, I don't know. I'm kind of getting... I'm kind of getting feisty, the idea of getting long here to fade Dakota, but what do you think? This might be the play. Ugh, I want to see what happens. If we get above that 550 area, could start to push back up, but being patient. We're up 5K. No reason to do anything crazy. I ended up making $20,000 yesterday, by the way. If you're just now tuning in, I told you guys during lunchtime, I said go long and ride it. Look at my, that's the trade yesterday. When in doubt, listen to PW. Walk away, go long and walk away. I said exactly that. All right, we're battling these EMAs right there. So we need to get above these EMAs. And then we could start squeezing to the upside here. I'm watching Dakota. He has his stop. His stop is at 584. Like I said, I don't hate the short here. I really don't. I think maybe we get down to there the VWAP next, but just playing it patient right now. If you look at the ES is like right there as well. ES is like right there. It could move down there to the VWAP for the Nasdaq here, but the guy in the bond, why do you will sell from 21,636? Bro, what the fuck are you talking about? The price is 21,520 right now. What the fuck are you talking about? How can I get short at 21,636? How is that possible? Am I retarded? What is happening right now? He just keeps spamming the chat saying the market's gonna sell from 21,636. What is that? What do you want me to do? DJ Tickle took the same trade as you, Patrick, and I passed my first funded. That is fucking gay. Congratulations, DJ Tickle. You're one of us. You're a part of the gay traders of America. I kind of, now if we start to push back up, we had that little trap below the lows here. This could be kind of that little squeeze back up now. Let's see. I think Dakota got out. Looks like he got out. Or maybe he's, I don't know. I can't fucking tell. Looking for a cheeky long here. Ooh, cheeky boy. It is Pride Month. Gay traders unite. I mean, gay just means you're happy, right? Isn't that the word for gay? Happy? I'm a happy trader. All right, there's that fucking push. Straight up here now. Wow. Somebody's happy. Something's happy in the Nasdaq right now. Somebody's happy. Somebody's happy. This thing starts squeezing. The Nvidia pushing back straight back up right now, so. I do like it. I do like it, chat. I do like it a lot. Like I said, should have faded Dakota. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it, chat. I fucking knew it. Whenever Dakota goes short, go long, it's gonna hit. It's gonna hit, chat. It's gonna fucking hit, boys. And it's not even me trolling. It's just the fact that he literally has a 30% win-loss ratio. It is a profitable strategy to do the exact opposite of Dakota. I'm telling you, it's profitable. Because, again, he has a 30% win-loss ratio. So it makes a lot of sense. Oh, my God. Are you long, then? You made 100? Let's go. Look at that. Landon making money. Landon took the trade above the 550s, up there to the 580s, up $200 a day, trading micros. We love to see it, chat. We love to see it. Let's go. Oh, the inverse Dakota ETF. That could be a thing. That could be a thing. I took some money here as well. I got long at the 547s in my Tradeify live account. We're up $3,000 on the day. I told you those longs were looking real good. Looking real good. Longy dongies. All right, we got news coming up here in what, 15 minutes? All right, pulled back here again into after tapping that 580 area. Yeah, I mean, that's not, we don't love to see that double top. ES pushed above the high, pulled right back down here. Nasdaq has not gotten above the high. So who leads here? Who's leading, the Nasdaq or the ES? Almost the same exact setup on the ES as the Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq has not made a new high yet. Nasdaq has not made a new high. Dr. Mike, $500 times 5 accounts. That's real gay. But I'm about it. I am about it. It's like the gayest thing I've ever seen on the internet today. 5 accounts, $500. That's $2,500 profit. Yep. That's clearly very gay. I mean, we're just a bunch of gay guys on the internet having a good old time over here, you know? Just living the dream. You got a chat full of gay traders. I'm for sure getting canceled now. Damn it. I am for sure getting canceled. I think you can't cancel me though, because it's kind of like, you know, I'm all for the gays. I'm not against the gays. I'm for them. You know? I want to be a part of it. It's that time. It's that time of the month, you know. If making money's gay, I want to be gay. I got to get off this subject. All right, on to the next. We got like a little mini bull flag here. But we got this news coming out too. Do we have news at 9:45? Fuck, there's that push. I should have gotten long right there above 60s here, but being patient. Ooh, little pullback here. Any codes for Pride Month? Oh yeah, we're going to have a lot of gay codes. It's going to get wild up in here, my friends. I got my finger on the trigger here for a long. I'm kind of watching the ES right now and the Nasdaq. We're kind of primed. I think I'm going to go long here. Stop basically below this 550 area. So, YOLO. And then I'll be looking for like 590, 560s. Someone says they wouldn't get long before the news. Well, that's why I like to party and you don't. If we get like a quick spike, I might just take profit as well. So, we'll see. It's like right there. Oof. Come on. Needs to get through this 70 area. I do now this little pullback here. We're going to have to sit through this now. The ES is still holding up there, 950 area. So I think if we can just get up there through the 80s, I might lock in this profit quickly here. Just to lock in another couple $1,000. Like right there. Oh, we got real close to it. I'm just going to take it right there. Just like I said, before that news comes out, I'm okay with it. Taking a quick little scout there. We're up $7,000 on the day. It's still going higher, but I would have wanted to see that. It might go now, but I wanted to see it go earlier. Like I wanted this candle to go. There's the go. It's going now. There's the go that we wanted. You know? This is a gay candle. This is not a gay candle. Fuck.
Trading on FTMO, and I just recently got 3 straight to funded with Tradeify, but I don't know how to trade all of them at once. Can you show me?
Well, the chat, you scared me out of it. Damn it, chat. Damn it. The guy in the chat said, don't get long. Why'd you do that to me? This is why I don't read the chat. Y'all, I was like, maybe he's right. Maybe I shouldn't get long before the news. Tradeify is coming out with a new program, Gay to Funded. It's a lot like, for the month of June, you can get 30% off the Gay to Funded account. It's gonna be a great deal going on for this month only. Oh man, I'm going to hell. I'm going to hell. It's okay. I've already made peace with it. I've already made peace with it. What? There was a roach? Another one? Dude, kill it. Kill the roach, bro. Well, there's that move. This is, like I said, I kind of wanted that push. We were long there from 73s, and then I was just kind of, I didn't want to get chopped up here, but that was what we were looking for. I wanted that boner candle straight to the upside. 21,000 made a new high. 21,600 pull back there, so we were close. All right, we got news here in 11 minutes. When there is one roach, there are many more. Uh-oh. How many? How many can they be? Will you be looking for an orb play? I will be. I think probably after 10 o'clock here is going to be the play. We wait for 10 o'clock news, and then we make some money here. Land is up $200 on the day right now. Oh. Oh. Good thing we got out when we did there. Who's that small guy? That's my clone. Oh, man. The degeneracy on this stream just gets worse by the day. I'm amazed that you people watch me. It's amazing. Just me over here burping and farting and talking about being gay. FVG indicator on TradingView. I don't like FVGs. I mean, for me, I'm just me. You know, you're going to get exactly who you're going to get Patrick Wieland. When you come to the stream, you're not going to get some bullshit. You're not going to get some fucking motivational quotes. You're not going to get, you know, me trying to make excuses for trading a combine or whatever bullshit. You're just going to get raw, unfiltered fucking day trading, alpha male, gay fucking entertainment, baby. You know? You got to get some good entertainment around here. And that's all I can offer. Just some good old, classic, good old American entertainment. What do they say happen on the news? Anything's going to happen on... I don't know what's going to happen on the news. Do you know what's going to happen on the news? What do you think is going to happen on the news? Go up or down? You think it's going to go up?
Thank you for the opening long play.
Okay. I like it. I like it. He thinks... The 12-year-old thinks the market's going to go up when the news comes out. He has no idea what he's talking about, but we're going to find out. The what? No, you can't change now. You placed your bet, bro. You have made your piece. The chat knows that you want it to go up, so now it's on you. If it doesn't go up, we're all going to blame the 12-year-old. Blame the 12-year-old, man. It's his fault. I mean, this is kind of a tricky one because look at the ES right now. ES is pulling back here, right? ES is pulling back, sloping down here. And then Nasdaq's sloping up. What does that mean? Is that a divergence? That's a divergence, chat. We got 6 minutes here. 6 minutes till the news comes out. Anything's possible. Fucking A. Look at NVIDIA right now going to the moon. I gotta look at my NVIDIA position. Well, it's up 1.8% on the day, so I guess it's not really that much. I'm up $3,000 today on NVIDIA in my long-term portfolio. She's ripping again. Up there towards the 600s. Got news coming out here real soon. 5 minutes till the news. Cup and handle. I like it. JT trades in the chat. What's good? Justin trades. Hit him up. He likes the chart a buy and continuation channel. I like it. The ES is just like really kind of having trouble there, though. I don't know. Tricky. Either way. It's tricky either way here. Right now, just sitting there. I mean, NVIDIA just keeps making new highs. So, what does that mean? If we get above 600s, we could push. There's a pivot point to the upside there, 680s. 640 area, kind of being the 50% of that opening range there. So there's a little push. Will they break out before the news comes out? Hitting that top right there again, real close. 600 pushing. 600's pushing there. What? You want to go long so bad? He wants to go long so bad, he said. So bad. ES is now starting to turn back up here. So ES is kind of like it dipped down, but then turned back up. We got above that 600 level for now. And that 52, 54 area kind of being the next area. But I think we're going. I mean, this news comes out. We could go right to the 640s. Start ripping up there towards the 680s. We put in that higher low. We're breaking out of the 15-minute range here. We got 1 minute or 2 minutes till the news comes out. Everything's kind of lining up there, to be honest. It's all lining up. NVIDIA still going higher. Look at NVIDIA right now. I told you all last week I was fucking dick deep in Nvidia. That's right. Loaded up on Nvidia before the earnings. Come on, it's just Nvidia's too good, you know? It's too easy. Dude, my watch is falling apart. My watch is falling apart. The screw's coming out. Sneaky Texas Venom said, or everything running up to dump. Ooh. Why you gotta be so pessimistic, bro? It's not very gay of you. It's not very gay of you. Never bet against the USA, baby. Never. Go back and look over the last 1,000 years. Where was it ever a good idea to bet against the USA? Never. Never. "30 seconds till the news." Oh, God. Four, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, it's going up, Landon. Oh, up there to the 600s now. I told you this market was going to be real gay today. It goes straight up, boys. How much you make? He's up. Landon's long right now, chat. You're looking for 640s here. 640s for Landon. Oh, buddy. Come on. Landon's gonna make more money than the Top Step house account today. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Fucking Top Step's got guys who have been trading for 40 years. And they still can't make more money than a goddamn 12-year-old. That's hilarious. That is fucking hilarious. Don't get too greedy, Landon. All right. You can always take profit, you know, a little earlier. All right, there. I like that. That's good. That's beautiful. Plenty of profit there, Landon. Plenty of profit. Landon moving his target down to the 19s. Nvidia still going to the moon here. Nvidia still going to the moon here. I'm fired up right now. This is the best day of my life. My 12-year-old making more money than Top Step does. Hey, I'm going to move your stop up here, Landon, to break even at least. That way you can't lose, bro. It's better to lock in the profit, you know? Hey, I'm going to move it to the low of that candle, actually. 603s. And then let's move this target up some. No, don't touch it. Move it up. We're either going to get stopped here for easy profit, or we can get more profit to the upside there. You like that? Good point. He said good point, good point. I don't know. If it breaks 620, we might just, let's do this. Let's do like this. I'll give you a little trick. We'll put one right there. We'll put one right there, Landon. Okay. 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 Come here, bro. Give me that. Give me the knuckles. Let the world know, bro. Let the world. Look at this kid. He's a genius. He likes America, too. Gulf America. Get on it, boys. Get on it. He's got his only. Hey, you got your shirt on, too. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh. Oh, man. That's cute. Here, Jason, come get a photo. Come get a photo of me and my offspring. Yee! Or maybe take it with this in the background so we look cooler. You go over there. Yee! All right, there we go. Landon's up $300 on the fucking day. Up 300 bucks on the day, Landon. Let's go, baby. Let's go. My baby boy. My baby boy. He's my baby boy. God, hey, if you can't have a good time trading, then why the fuck do it, you know? If you can't make money and have a good time, then why the fuck are you even doing it? Go get a shitty job hating life, you know? Like, think about, like, if you can't have fun doing this shit, then why even do it? You know, why even fucking do it? There's no reason to not just fucking love it. I'm all about it. And the best part is, my 12-year-old, I'm teaching him real life skills. Real life skills. I'm not teaching him no bullshit. I teach him very fucking simple ideas. How to make money, how to be a man, how to have respect, how to get respect. That's also one thing that I pride myself in. Very simple idea around here. Nobody owes you respect for anything. You have to earn respect. And that's the only thing that matters as a man. The money, the cars, all of that, it's bullshit. It don't mean shit. What matters at the end of the day is, are you a good fucking person who has respect? Do people respect you as a person? You know, and that's what it's all about. Right there, my friend. Oh, by the way, if you guys are still here, hopefully you're still here. We haven't gone anywhere. But we have a special guest on Thursday, right? Ginger, right? Thursday? Thursday, we have a special guest. If you've ever seen this video right here, this is an old video of mine. We've got Steven Kalasian coming to the BDH. It's kind of wild because I went to Steve's office in New York this 6 years ago. I went there 6 years ago. And now Steve's going to come to the BDH on Thursday. So I know a lot of people have been asking about Steve. They're like, what happened to Steve? Well, he's going to come here on Thursday and we're going to talk shop. But look at this office, man. Crazy. This was a dream. I'd love to have this many monitors. People always be hating on how many monitors he has, but I'm like, dude, I wish I had that many monitors. You know what I mean? Like, I would love to have that many. Where's the fucking thing at? You can't even see him. Give me all those monitors. I want every monitor. I want to see everything. But yeah, I'm excited because, like I said, it's been 6 years since we made this video. It's got 4 million views on it. And we're doing that this Thursday at the BDH. So quite the, like, you know, cool kind of circle of life. Back in the day, when I first went to go to Steve's office, I was not trading futures, right? I wasn't trading futures. I had no idea how to trade futures. The market did not move like it did today. Totally different world. But look at us now. It's coming full circle. Now he's going to come to the BDH and see my setup. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool, man. I'm looking forward to it. Thursday, Steven Kalasian here at the BDH. So, all right, well, I gotta troll Top Step right now with my son. All right, Nasdaq, little pullback here. Warranted, part of the business. Ooh, kind of just fell off a cliff there, didn't it? Back to the 580s again to test that 15-minute opening range. Uh-oh. Market's pulling back here. Little hard pullback. New 4-hour candle, somebody said. 4-hour candle. Makes sense. Nvidia pushed all the way up to a pivot point, pulling back now. Nasdaq pulling back here hard. Is this the dip buy? The dip before another rip higher? Pushing right back up there, 580s again. 21,600 area, kind of. If we get back above 21,600s, could be some opportunities for maybe some more longs if we get back above 600s. Nice little push there. Right back up there to the top of that 15-minute range now. So I would like to see kind of like a push above 600 and then we get continuation. Would be what I'm looking for. If I'm looking for a long, that's what I'd be looking for, right? Just basically like that setup. If we keep selling here, then obviously I'm not looking for a long. Landon said he's done trading for the day. He's back on the simulator. He made 200, 300 bucks. He's done. That's how I like to see right there. Done by 10 o'clock. Look at that. Done by 10 o'clock. Still pushing right back up there. There's that 600 push. We got to get above 600s. Like kind of up into there and then build out like a bit of a flag here would be nice. Nvidia right now kind of flagging. Nvidia pushed up there to the pivot point. If you look at Nvidia here, Nvidia right up there to that pivot point, pulled back, 21 EMA, again breaking out. The 15-minute range playing out beautifully on Nvidia today. That's the best part about the 15-minute opening range is it's not just for futures, guys. It can be for any stock. Any stock. Look at that. There's this little push back above 600. I want to see just like a little bit more. I just don't want to get like, I don't want to like it get to above 600 then just wick back down. So I want to see some candles closing above that 600 level here strong. Cardi just passed a combine. W. Landon, he really is the GOAT. I mean, he is, I mean, 50% of his DNA is mine. Maybe a little more, actually. You never know. Maybe like 70%. I do probably have maybe the stronger DNA. Ugh. I'm like, okay, trying to figure out. I want to see this 5 minute. If this 5 minute candle can close really nicely here. It's kind of like when this 5 minute candle closes, we want to kind of see how that next 5 minute candle opens, if that makes sense. Like you kind of want like maybe that next 5 minute candle to kind of dip down like into the 590s again. Kind of like these previous little 5 minute candles, how they kind of like dip back down into themselves. When do we get the video with the GTR? Well, as soon as I have it at the BDH. We went to pick it up yesterday, and it was fucking flooding. Flooding in Miami, so I didn't want to drive it home in the rain. So, it's still at the shop down in Miami, but it is coming to the BDH at some point. I might have to just get like a truck to pick it up and bring it here. Someone says it's going to retest 21,500. Okay. That's the great thing about trading, right? You can go short and I can go long and we can still be friends. GTR, which model? 1997 R33 GTR, baby. Straight from China. I mean Japan. Straight from Japan. It was built in Japan. Right-handed drive. Midnight purple. It's pretty fucking sick. It's got the wide body. It was built by Active Garage in Japan. It's a vibe. It's like that classic car, you know, from being a kid. Fast and Furious vibes. Midnight purple. Everybody loves it. That's like the classic GTR color. All right, Nasdaq. She's going. Big buyer just popped up. Big buyer just popped up there. There's a buyer, like 25 contracts sitting at 607. Market's kind of, I feel like it's pushing up off of that. A Porsche RWB, no, it's RDW. No, it's RWB. So my next car is going to be a Porsche RWB from Japan as well. It's actually in a container right now coming to America. RWB, yes. I don't know, RDW. That sounds weird. There's that push above the 600s now. Big seller at 620, 100 contracts. Oh, Lord, someone's doing something. There's 100 contracts sitting on the book right now at 620. Who the fuck is that? Massive seller at 620. Literally 100 contracts just sitting on the book right now. Look at this. On the book there. It's gone now. Well, can't see it now, but he was there. We'll see if it pops up again when we get back up towards that level if we do, but there right now. He's, looks like it's gone now. Oh, rear wheel drive. All right, a little bit of trouble there at the 620s. Little pullback here again. It's only 10:15 in the morning, baby. We got lots of time here. Make more money. Damn it. Top Step TV's up now. They're up 314 on the day. 319. I think Landon's still in the lead. He's up 347 on the day, so I think we're gonna be all right, Landon. You might have to put another trade on. Can't let them beat you, bro. Can't let them beat you, man. Unless something crazy happens. All right. Landon said he ain't trading unless something crazy happens. So let's see if something crazy doesn't happen here today. Will something crazy happen here? I need something crazy to happen, Landon. Please, buddy. How'd you learn how to trade, Landon? You been watching my YouTube videos? Just comes natural, he says. I mean, I haven't taught him anything, to be honest. Other than the bull flag, bear flags. I did teach you that this morning. I didn't really teach him. I said, hey, if the market's slanting with the flag, we look for a long. If it's slanting down, well, if it's slanting down, we look for a long. If it's slanting up, we look for a short. So, I guess we are on the right page. All right, so on the day right now, here in my Tradeify live funded account, we're up $8,000 on the day. Yesterday, we were down $7,000. So, on the week right now, we're up $1,000. We're getting back on the week. We're in the green, and that's all that matters. You can't have you got to keep your losers bigger, smaller, something like that. I don't know. Do the math. And then also, we're up $10,000 in my Apex account as well. This account right now is up $250,000 in profit since I opened this account, or since I activated this account. So, we love to see it. We really do. It's all just numbers. There you go. Everything is a number. Everybody likes numbers. For me and you. All right, stuck there again at the 630s. Nvidia pushed up, got stuck there, so it looks like Nasdaq's also stuck here now. Patrick, I've been studying ICT for 3 years. We're going to have a massive dump. Oh, God. Go all in long now, boys. He's been studying for 3 years. Only 3 years? Only 3 years? You've been studying for 3 years? Imagine studying ICT for 3 years. Like, hey, you know, like, there's some things in life that you just don't want to tell other people, right? Like, there's just, you know, there's some things in life that you just want to keep private. You know, you don't want to, like, don't admit that you're fucking retarded, you know, by saying, oh, I study ICT. Because it's like, oh. So basically, you're telling me you're retarded. You know, like, you know, don't, you know, hey, if you're gay, it's cool. But if you're retarded because you trade ICT, that's fucking retarded. You know? I've been studying ICT for 3 years, and what I've learned is that he makes no money trading. Well, there you go. You just learned everything. Everything that you needed to learn, you just learned. No more studying needed. Is it the weird time of day for a sell-off? Are we at that time of day yet? What time of day is the weird time of day for a sell-off? I mean, the ES right now, we're like right here at yesterday's high right now. Obviously, if we can't get above that, yesterday's high, we pull back here, but we're like right there, man. When is the weird times to trade? ICT versus PW trade-off. Are you kidding me? ICT makes no money trading. What do we need to trade off? What do you want to do? What's the trade-off? If the goal of trading is to make money, then I've already won. What else do you want from me? There's no trade-off needed. All right, when the market starts doing this type of stuff, I like to go to a bigger time frame. Go to the 5-minute chart, kind of see what's going on here. 5-minute chart doesn't look terrible, but kind of need to see where this 5-minute candle closes. Patrick, do you know Mamba FX? Yes, I know Mamba FX, bro. God. Patrick, I heard you block Tyler Trades. Yeah, I block everybody on Twitter. It's my Twitter, and I'll do what I want. I just block other influencers because it's funny. You know? I think it's funny to block other influencers and then have them talk about how I block them. Like, that to me that's fucking gay. Right? Like, imagine Patrick Wieland blocks you and then you go and you cry about it and be like, Patrick blocked me. I'm like, well, that's really gay. You know, that's really gay. ES is pushing. Nasdaq's pushing. Will we get the breakout? I mean, if we get through that 630, 640 level, 21,680 to the upside, that pivot point there, 21,700, I mean, there's some stuff going on there. Is he a real trader, Mamba FX? I mean, come on, guys. Is that a real question? Are you really asking me if Mamba FX is a real trader? Like, is that a real question? You know, are you, like, really asking me that? I don't know. You tell me. Like, what do you think? I don't know. You know, you tell me. I'm not going to sit here and speculate, but you tell me. People be like, oh, man, I want to get into trading. Oh, I like Mamba FX. And then you'd be like, yeah, this guy right here, this guy's my mentor. If that's your mentor, I mean, I don't know, guys. How are we feeling about it? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. It's questionable. It's very questionable. Very, very questionable. He is a little cute. He is a little cutie pie. The 1 hour chart right now pushing here on the ES. Nasdaq holding up here as well. This could be one of those situations where you just get long and walk away, to be honest. I don't know. What do you think? Are you willing to trade for other people? No. Why would I trade for other people? I don't need to trade for other people. All you need to do is trade bull flags and bear flags, chat. It's not rocket science. Is Q Banks a real trader? No. There is, guys, come on. There is not one influencer who is a real trader. You know what I mean? Like, there really isn't. I'm not even a real trader. You know, like, there is no real trader that is an influencer. Like, come on, like, if there's an influencer out there, just ask yourself, like, is that a real trader? No. because they're influencers. It's not. Like, and the reason I say that, if you want to get all down and dirty on it, the reason that I say that is, number one, here's the thing, right? When you make $1 million a month as an affiliate or a Discord seller or a course seller, it's very easy to make money trading. And I know that sounds funny, right? It does. People will be like, what are you talking about? But it sounds, when I make $1 million a month, I can make $100,000 trading and it's nothing. It means nothing. You know what I mean? Like, I have no emotional attachment to it. It's a fugazi. It's a fugazi. Really, like, think about it. For somebody out there, like for you guys watching this stream, if you make no money, right? If you make no money, and the only way that you're able to pay your bills is from trading, that is real trading. Like, that's hard, right? Like, that's hard. And I've always been honest about that. Like, being an influencer makes it much easier to be profitable as a trader. Because again, you're not relying on making money from trading. Like, I made $1 million last month. I did. I made $1 million as an affiliate last month. So if I make $100,000 trading, it's like, it's nothing, right? It's easy. I don't care about the money. If I blow up my account, I don't care. You know, I don't care, basically. So that's the big thing. That's the big answer to it. Basically, every influencer is not a trader. That's all it comes down to. And it's not even me being a hater. It's just me saying very simply, like, what I go through as a trader and what I go through, you know, like, it's a much different, like, experience than what you guys go through. You know? Moral of the story, don't trade, be an influencer. Honestly, yeah. But I think it's probably harder to be an influencer than it is to be a trader. You know what I mean? That's what I would say. I'd say it's harder to be an influencer than it is to be a trader. The chances of you making $1 million a month as an influencer is very small. The chance of you making, you know, $10,000 a month as a trader, probably a better chance. Zambada, so you're telling us that you're not a real trader and you're just an entertainer. I mean, I think I'm a real trader, but again, I'm not like you. I'm not the same as you. You know what I mean? I'm not married to my P&L, if that makes sense. I'll survive no matter what. But at the end of the day, the facts don't lie. I'm still number 2 on the Tradeify leaderboard. There you go. I like that. Moral of the story, keep a stable income while trading. I think that's a great way to look at it, honestly. Right? Like, that really is. If you can continuously make money and not be attached to the idea of making money as a trader, you'll be more successful over time as a trader. Right? Justin was here. Justin trades. I think he's in the chat, or he was in the chat. We talked about that while he was here. He has a good job. He likes his job. He trades for fun. You know, obviously he likes to trade, but at the same time, it's like he's not dependent on paying his bills from trading. So that's the moral of the story here. Don't depend on trading. Everybody on the Top Step leader on the Tradeify leaderboard, none of them are influencers. And the big problem is the guy who's above me, I got kind of screwed here because when I first started trading with Tradeify, they only had the 5 accounts, where other people had 7 accounts. So right now, my total bag, $164,000. This guy is only $6,000 away, $7,000 away. So we're real close to getting there. We just got to stay focused. Stay focused. PW. Stay focused, chat. Stay focused. All right, right now we're just holding up there at the 15-minute range right now, 15-minute opening range. So. I mean, 5-minute chart's just kind of consolidating here above the 15-minute range for now. I think it's just because, like, NVIDIA is just kind of stuck now. NVIDIA is kind of just chopping around there at that 140 area. So it's like, if NVIDIA breaks out through the 141s, then obviously, I think look for Nasdaq to make new highs. Do you really make money trading? I mean, you tell me. I don't know. Do I really make money trading? I don't know. Do I? I mean, I made $50,000 payout in May, a $20,000 payout. So that's $70,000 for May from one live funded account. I mean, maybe I make money. I don't know. It's questionable. You know, it's definitely questionable. Nasdaq dipping down here again into that 500 area, 580, 590s. Just couldn't get through the 620s there. PW, how do you handle the pressure? I was born in the pressure, baby. Diamonds are made in the pressure. You know, diamonds are made under pressure. So that's how I do it. The diamonds are made under pressure. Any tips on how to stay in a trade longer? I think you really just got to look at the higher time frames, right? Look at the higher time frames. Find targets that make sense, right? This morning, when we opened up, what made sense? What was kind of the first target that made sense there? Well, at open, yesterday's high, right? So if you get long at open, it's kind of like you're looking for that push up there to yesterday's high. I think really kind of looking at the bigger time frames, the higher time frames, and then trading on the smaller time frame will allow you to stay in trades longer. Because if all you're doing is you're looking at the small time frames, you're like this trading, you know, it makes it hard to like stay in a trade because you're like, oh man, every little move you're focused on. The best thing to do is really kind of zoom out. Take a look, bigger picture. You know, what are we doing? Okay, not really doing much here. Do you still trade with Take Profit? I do still trade with Take Profit. I don't have a live account with them right now, but I do still trade with Take Profit. And also, nothing wrong with taking partials. You can always take partials. You know, it'll allow you to kind of get more, maybe more, you know, more time holding. Reduce your size. Always a good way to do it as well. If the first thing you do when you enter a trade is you start thinking about getting out of the trade, I would say, hey, you know, that you might be oversized, right? You might be trading with too much size. So think about that. When you enter the trade, what is your first reaction? You know, do you start getting scared? Do you start getting worried? Are you focused? Are you good? If the first reaction when you're in a trade is you're scared, your heart starts racing, well, you probably got too much size on. So, that's the moral of the story here. What happened with that long yesterday? Eric, I don't know. What happened to your fucking long? What do you think happened with it? What do you think happened with it, Eric? Like, what? You come 24 hours later to fucking find out what happened in my long yesterday? Hey, everybody. Patrick, what happened to your long? I don't know. I fucking make money. I made money on it, Eric. What the fuck you doing? Imagine waking up in the morning and being like, let me go find out if Patrick made money on his long yesterday. Let me go find out. Fucking A, dude. All right, there's that little, I mean, we're getting tight. I think there's a push coming, boys. If we get above 620, I think that's the long, and then we could start to push. Look at NVIDIA right now. Look at NVIDIA breaking out, trying to break out at least. I just want to see NVIDIA start pushing here. Like if NVIDIA goes do, we can go. Calm down, Patrick. We can all be gay together. I want to be gay by myself. I don't want to be gay with you guys. I don't want to be a community gay. I want to be a standalone gay. What? No news at 11. You're going to go long again, or what are you doing? Not do it. Landon ain't doing a thing right now, he said. He's just sitting over there looking at the charts. He likes the longs, though. Landon likes the longs. The 12-year-old has spoken. He likes the longs. He likes the longs. He is currently up $347 on the day. This is Landon's account, or my account that he's been trading, but you can see his longs this morning. He got long at open. He told everybody in the chat, get long. Look at that. Bam, bada, ba-boom. 12-year-olds making money live on YouTube. Let's go. Landon's been trading. Landon's been studying ICT for the last 3 years. Actually, one time, remember when I asked you what classes you had? And I was like, what classes do you have right now? And you said ICT. And I was like, you have ICT at school? What is that? Internet Information Computer Technology. Yeah, so Landon was taking a class at school called ICT, and I was like, are you kidding me? They're teaching you ICT at school? Public schools are now teaching ICT to kids. Your son made more than me, and I work as a SOC analyst. I don't even know what an SOC is, but it sounds like you might be smart. And that just goes to prove that being smart does not make you good at trading. Security Operations Center. It's definitely something gay, for sure. We're all just a bunch of gay guys hanging out trying to make some money. Looking for boner candles. Just looking for boner candles, hanging out all day. Fun fact, if you go to the Tiger Cave Temple in Thailand, take a long-ass 100-step stairs to the top. Inside the big open area, there's an ICT sucks written on the stone roof. Damn, that's like next level trolling right there. You go all the way to Thailand. You go all the way to Thailand, and then you write on the temple wall. All right, so NVIDIA right now stuck. We're not going anywhere. As long as NVIDIA is not going anywhere, we're not going anywhere. So this might just be kind of a chop and pullback area unless we start to get momentum off this pivot there. We got kind of the London close coming up here. We got London close coming up here. Like I said, this could, this is, you know, kind of setting up here for one of those, you know, you just kind of go long and walk away type thing. Go long, put your stop below the 580s, and then come back to the market being at 680 maybe. Maybe. I don't know. We got a buyer at the 610s. Buyer at the 610s sitting there. It's getting real tight, boys. Real tight. 1050 should move the market here. 1050 to like 1120. Something should happen here. Just needs to make up its mind here. Make up its mind. Does Landon count as a guest star? I think so. He's pretty on it. I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom, man. Get him jacked. Landon's gonna get so jacked on C4. Get him some C4. All right, well, we're pushing. What do you think, Landon? Are we going higher? Bulls are in control or what? Bulls are in control or what? ES is trying to push here as well. ES right there. Needs to get above that, just like 960 area, and then, whew, plenty of room to the upside there. Plenty of room. Patrick, can you make more videos about momentum day trading? I mean, do I really need to make more videos about it? It's pretty simple. If the market's going up, look for a bull flag. If the market's going down, look for a bear flag. Fucking A. Dakota's long. Oh, fuck. Now what am I going to do? What? Yeah, even Landon said long suck now. Damn it. The 12-year-old, man, he's coming in hot. He's coming in hot. He's coming in hot. Oh, man. I mean, I think it's a long all day. It's definitely setting up there. What are you going to do? Landon said he's probably going to go long. Fuck. No pressure, bro. He's turning up here. I'm going to try the longs. A little bit of a FOMO entry there, but just looking for like 20, 30 points if we start to squeeze here. And this is also a trade that I could just walk away and come back later for as well, so. We'll see. I might just take a quick scalpy scalp. I don't love my entry there, to be honest. Big size, little scalps, adds up. Oh. So close. Big longs. Big longs. Big longs. Let me see if I get right there at 32. $1,200. Come on, give me that $1,200. I didn't need $1,200, please. Please. Oh. Why you gotta do that, Nasdaq? Now it's gonna pull back and chop around here some more. We are gonna either just go or we're gonna get stuck here. Listen to my 12-year-old again. See if I can make a quick $1,000 here. I'm just gonna get in and get it out. I should have been long off the EMA down there. You made $7? How much? Could have. Could have. I hate the hesitation right here, but as soon as I take profit, it's probably going to rip to the moon, to be honest. Oh, there it goes. All right, so we're up 11,000 on the day. There, it's going to rip now. That little bull flag. I just didn't want it to pull back into that EMA again, which I think it might just go here now. It might just go here. Lady, come look at this. Tell the chat where we're at right now. How much are we up there? This is my personal account.
11,000.
11,000. Where are we long from?
We're at
570s. 570s, bro.
Are we? Oh.
Yeah. Someone says it's gonna go to 640. Oh, well, I didn't like the fact that Dakota was long there, man. I wish if Dakota was short, I would be all in long right here. You know? Why do you not use volume as an indicator? I don't give a fuck about volume. You know, I swear to God. I don't care about volume. People, like, it don't mean shit. It don't mean nothing. It don't mean nothing, chat. Why? Why did Dakota get long? Why? Why? I can't trade this now. If this pulls back, I'm gonna die laughing. What do they pay to drink Liquid Death? Let's just say a lot of money, okay? They pay me a lot of money to drink this water. It's good water. It's good water. It's real good water. Aaron said, man, you're funny. You're my favorite YouTuber. Ooh. 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 Well, look at that. The bull flag. It worked. It played out. Wait, Dakota got out? No. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. You gotta fucking love it, chat. All right, I'm up $12,000 in my personal account today. I'm up $8,000 in my Tradeify live account. I'm up $11,000 in my Apex account. 11,000 on the Apex account. Currently, the equity of this account is 400,000. It's a 150K account. Do the math. I'm not that good at math, but if I do, I think it's 150 plus, it's 250, right? Yeah, I think I'm up $250,000 in like 28 days in this account. And this is my Tradeify live account. We're up $8,000 on the day. And then Landon got long right there for a little scalp. Landon's up $371. So, Nasdaq still pushing, man. Fucking A, boys. Look at that thing. Like, do I just like, now I'm like mad that I should have held that fucking long. It was just like we were at that like tricky spot, you know, like that little tricky spot right there. But what's funny is that was kind of like right there at the 1050, right at 1050 it pushed. Which indicators do you recommend for using? No indicators. No indicators. Don't use indicators. Don't do it. No indicators needed. Dakota sold. Longs aren't gay anymore. Yay! Longs are not gay. Let's go! Yee! But wait, what if we are gay? Damn it. The best is Top Step TV has Muhammad. They have Muhammad on there, and he's trading a combine. He's trading a combine, right? It's just like, what are you doing, bro? Like, what are you doing? Like, literally, like, what are they fucking doing? Like this guy's gonna claim that he's good at trading. He's trading a combine. He's down $62 trading a combine. Like, literally, how fucking retard? Like, I'm telling you, the level of retardation at Top Step TV blows my mind. Just like, how can someone be that retarded? Like, you have to tell me you're retarded without telling me you're retarded. You know, if you watch Top Step TV, you're fucking retarded. Why would you ever do that? What a terrible idea. My 12-year-old is literally making more money than all of the coaches. You know? I just don't get it. I just watch it to make sure that they're not long when I'm long, you know? I watch Top Step TV every day. It's the best stream ever. Well, clearly you're fucking retarded. Bones, you're retarded. Hey, could Dakota try to sue me for defamation? For what? What am I lying about? That he's retarded? That he's not made any money in his live account? Yeah, bro, sue me. Let's go to court. Let's go to court. Dear judge. Hey, judge. I want to sue Patrick Wieland because he says that I'm retarded and I don't make money trading. That's defamation. And the judge is like, well, do you make money trading? He's like, well, I don't make money trading, but, you know, I'm a coach. And I'm not retarded, okay? I'm not. I am not retarded. Yeah, I would love to do that defamation case. I'd fucking love it. Let's go. Prove you're not retarded. Prove that you make money. Oh, yeah, you can't. You never will. You gotta love it. What are my moving averages? Oh, I'll tell you. I got the 9 EMA, and then I've got the 21 EMA there. Where's the guy earlier who said we were going to have a big drop from here? Where'd he go? Where'd that guy go? Can we find that guy? Remember the guy that said he studied ICT for 3 years? This motherfucker. Think about that. This guy come in the chat. He's like, I studied ICT for 3 years. This is gonna be a big drop, guys. 3 years of studying, and I finally figured out that this is it right here. 3 years I've studied. 3 years. Like, imagine admitting. I studied for 3 years. I'm dead right now. I can't stop laughing. Even Landon's laughing over there. We're all laughing. I studied for 3 years. Oh man, I can't. This shit is too funny, bro. Too fucking funny. Imagine studying ICT for 3 years. I swear, it's amazing. Oh, God. Well, I mean, I guess we could have kept that long going. We could have kept it going. There's the move. I took the long there. I should have been long down into this level, but I wanted to get it above 620. And there's that breakout. Right there, right around 10 o'clock, 10:50, 11 o'clock here. We broke out, right? 630 area, up there to the 660s now. The bull flag is printing. Yeah, if I gotta hear one more fucking story about how some 80-year-old motherfucker used to trade in the pits. Guys, all right, let me make something very clear, right? Who do you want to learn to trade from? Do you want to learn to trade from some guy who's 80 years old and he's about to die any fucking day? Or do you want to learn to trade from a guy who is literally doing exactly what you're doing? I grew up exactly like you guys. I came up through the same shit. Oh, Patrick, I used to trade in the pits. I used to trade back when we had to write it on paper. You know, I used to write it on paper. Like, that's what I used to do. Well, ain't nobody writing on fucking paper no more. Nobody's using paper no more. I don't need to learn about fucking trading on paper. I trade in the pits. I don't give a fuck. Ain't nobody trading in the pits no more. Nobody. You know, ain't nobody trading in the fucking pits no more, bro. Nobody. God. Well, there you go. The 5-minute bull flag pushing up here. But guys, I traded in the pits. You know what I never did? I never did no fucking pit trading. But you know what I did? You know what I did today? I made $8,000 in my live funded account. That's what I did. That's what I fucking did, boys. You know, I might have not traded in the fucking pits, but guess what? I made fucking money today. 11,000 in my Apex account. 8,000 in my Tradeify Live account. Landon making money. He's up $370 on the day. And the best part is, you know what the best fucking part of all of this is? I'm just a fucking retarded gay guy on the internet, right? That's all I am. I don't even know what I'm doing. But one thing that I do know is that bull flags and bear flags fucking print money. You know? That's what this does. That is what this does. Bull flags, bear flags, fucking make money. That's all you need. Did Landon, yeah, he did. Landon's 12. He traded in the fucking pits when he was a baby. He fucking threw up all over the pits. Shit his pants in the pits. I mean, come on. I swear to God. It blows my fucking mind. Why do people make trading so fucking hard? Like, imagine your fucking mentor is Dakota, and all your mentor does is lose money and then tell you, guys, it's process over profits. It's okay, right? It's process over profits. You know? Process over profits. Like, that has got to be the gayest fucking thing I've ever heard in my life. And I've heard a lot of gay stuff. But that, my friends, is really fucking gay. You know, process over profits. Process over profits. You know, and another thing too is, you know what it makes it really easy to do? It makes it really easy to trade with process over profits when Top Step pays you. You know what I mean? Like, think about that. Like, hey, everybody, it's okay if you don't make money. You could be in drawdown for the entire 2025. It's okay because process over profits. Process over profits. Like, that's what you want to learn from? You know what I mean? Like, that's what you want to learn from? He got a Series 3. Like, that's what, you know what I mean? Like, that's what you guys want to learn? You know, like, it fucking blows my mind. Like, why? Why? Process over profits. No. Fuck your process. Fuck your profits. Let's just trade the fucking bull flags. You know? Let's just trade the fucking bull flags. That's how easy this is. 15-minute range. Do you need me to break it down, chat? Do you need to break it down? I'll break it down for you. Check it out. 21,600 level. The top of the 15-minute range. Right? That's the top of the 15-minute range here. Look at that. Ding, ding, ding. The push. Oh my God. Process over profits, everybody. You know, process over profits. Process over profits. Patrick, tell us why people don't just listen to you. They don't listen to me because they're fucking retarded. Right? That's the only thing I can think of. Like, I'm gay, right? We're all gay here. Why do people not want to listen to me? Wait a second. I think I figured it out. They hate me because I'm gay. That's what it is. There's a lot of homophobes on the trading world. Now I know. It all makes sense now. It all makes sense now. Seriously. They hate me because I'm gay. They hate me because I'm gay. Why are you fighting with Brian Stock? I'm fighting with Brian Stock because he's a little fucking, I don't even know what to call him. He's a little fucking retarded looking little quant that's not good at math. That's why I'm fighting with him. He thinks he's good at math, but he ain't. He don't even know how math works. He'd be like, I'll be like, oh, you think you're good at math? He ain't. I mean, my favorite is the fact of this. This is my favorite. This is how fucking dumb this motherfucker is. Patrick. He literally on Twitter. He's on Twitter and he writes on Twitter. He says that he doesn't care about rankings. He doesn't care about rankings. He only cares about making money and then withdrawing. But the fucking rankings are showing your total P&L. Are you fucking retarded? You know what I mean? Like, this motherfucker's like, I don't care about the rankings. I only care about my P&L. Okay. Well, you know, I mean, I don't know. You know what I mean? The rankings literally show the total bag. That's how much money you've made total. It doesn't matter if you took fucking 1 million payouts. All that matters is the fucking number. The number. Come on. Are you, like, literally, I only make profits to get payouts. I don't care about the leaderboards. The leaderboard is the total payouts. You know, come on. Look at that. Put it on the board. PW. Number two. Hey, you know, and again, guys, I'll never sit here and tell you, number one, I have blown up more accounts than I can count, right? I have had red days. I've lost money. I've been trading for 8 years now, and I wasn't always consistent, right? I have shared that with you guys. I have told you that. But the one thing that I can tell you right now, when I simplified trading, when I stopped worrying about studying fucking ICT, when I stopped worrying about listening to fucking beta little bitches like Dakota, what did I do? I said, hey, there's one simple fucking idea here. One simple idea. There's only one idea we need to worry about, and this right here, right? The market moves in waves. That's all it is. When the market's going up, where do I want to buy? I want to buy these spots here where we break back out, right? It's that simple. It's not fucking rocket science. That's all it is. Zambetta, it has nothing to do with my affiliate programs. I swear to God, I would slap your little bitch ass in the face if I ever saw you. You're going to say, oh, Patrick, you only make money because you're an affiliate. How does that make sense? How does that make sense? Do I trade? Do I get payouts? Yes. Do I make $1 million as an affiliate? Yes. But at the end of the day, what do? I make money live on YouTube. You know? It's not fucking rocket science. And like the fact that anybody out there is like, man, this is my mentor. I learned how to trade from this 20-year-old prepubescent little bitch. Like, this is who I learned from. Like, tell me you're fucking retarded without telling me you're retarded. Like, imagine, like, what the fuck does this kid know? What does he know about life? What does he know? You know? That's literally his profile picture, by the way. I didn't make this up. He literally posted this on the internet for everybody. Like, that's your mentor. That's who you want to learn from? You want to learn from a 20-year-old little fat fucking little kid who like, is that what you want to learn from? You want to learn from Tory fucking trades? That's what you want? Like, come on. I swear to God. I am literally giving people gold. Guys, again, my 12-year-old made $300 a day, right? My 12-year-old, right? And there are people out there who have been trading for 3 years who don't make money. Think about that. Like, my 12-year-old, what does he know about trading? Nothing. He knows nothing about trading. He doesn't study. He just trades fucking bull flags and bear flags. Like, think about, you know what I mean? Like, that's literally all he does, right? Yeah. You don't know what the fuck he's doing. He got no idea. You know, like, it's just like, I'm trying to help people. I really am. And I know it's like people think it's just my ego, but I'm really not. Like, it's just, I've been doing this for 8 years, and it blows my mind how people still are so fucking dumb that they would literally pay Tory Trades money, right? Tory Trades. Come on. Just stop it. Just stop it, please. I beg you. Please stop. Please. Please stop it. All right. Somebody asked me about the bear flag. I want to make something very clear, right? What are we doing on the higher time frames? We just broke out here. So I would not be looking for any shorts. I trade with the trend. We're trading momentum, right? That's what we're doing. We're trading momentum. Right now, the market's going up. There's no reason to short here. If it pulls back, great. Whatever, it pulls back. But I'm still, like, I don't care about shorts. The overall higher time frames are going higher, right? I don't want to fight it. Because what do I not know? I don't know how high this can go, right? I have no fucking idea. It might go all the way up there to the 760s, to the 800s. Who knows? But the one thing that the one thing that I fucking know for sure is, hey, what are we doing, right? We're putting in higher lows, higher lows. This could be a higher low. If it pulls back, that's fine. But again, like, I'd be looking for longs off of a higher low, not a short. Do you have a son, Patrick? No, he's fucking AI. What are you talking about? He's fake. He's a paper son. I rented him. I went down to the fucking local school and I was like, hey, you got any kids that are really smart? I want to rent one. $5 a day. It's like the, what do you call it? The trade with your buddies. Trading buddies. I adopted him. Look at him, he's smiling over there. He's like, wait, am I adopted? Don't worry, little bro, you're not adopted. You're pure-blooded Wieland. But yes. But like I said, guys, it's not that I'm sitting here, like, I know I get all crazy and I yell and I scream, but I really, like, if you're still here right now and you're watching, don't overcomplicate this shit, right? Wait for your bull flags. Look at the bigger time frames. Like, what is the market doing? Look at this whole area here. Like, this is just a bull flag. That's all it is, right? We're above the 15-minute range high. Like, there's no reason to do anything but look for a breakout for a setup to the upside. And that's the facts. You can hate me. You can love me. You can say I suck at trading. You can say I'm an affiliate, whatever it is. But that is simple fucking just understanding, right? We consolidated. We make the next leg up. Bam. It's that. That's all it is. That is all it is. Look at NVIDIA. What did I say? Hey, if NVIDIA breaks out here, look for the Nasdaq to break out. What did it do? NVIDIA broke out. It pushed up. It's up 3% on the day. The Nasdaq's pulling back. It's like, don't overcomplicate this shit, man. You don't care about market profile or volume profile? No, I don't. Nothing, you know, like show me traders who trade market profile and volume profile, and then I'll show you my P&L and we'll compare. Right? It just makes no sense. Hey, if you want to spend all this time and all this effort to learn how to trade market profile and market volume profile and the cum delta and all that stuff, like, that's fine. But you're just wasting your time. You're just wasting your fucking time. You know, like, you're literally just wasting your time because you don't need it. It's simple. Bull flags, bear flags. Look at the higher time frame. What did we do overnight? What was the move overnight? Anybody tell me? Anybody? 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 What did the move overnight do? Get rid of all the indicators. The move overnight is a fucking big bull flag. Come on. It's a big bull. What do you mean? It's not bearish. It's a big bull flag. And then it built a cup and handle. Come on. If you're so much of a profitable trader, why do you not compete in the Robbins Cup? Okay, for idiots out there who think that the fucking Robbins Cup is something special. The reason I don't trade in the Robbins Cup, number one, the commission is very high. Number two, who the fuck wants a trophy? Number three, the commission is very high. Number four, the margin is fucking retarded. You need like $10,000 for one contract. What does that do for me? I'm going to get a trophy from the fucking Robbins Cup? Fuck the Robbins Cup. I talked to the guy, Joel Robbins. Literally, the only reason the Robbins would want me to join their fucking cup is because they want me to promote the fucking Robbins Cup. Again, why the fuck do I care about the Robbins Cup? Patrick, why are you're not profitable? Okay. If I'm not profitable, then what the fuck is this? A $50,000 payout, a $20,000 payout from one live funded account in May. What does that mean? Does that mean I make money? Does that mean I lose money? Does that make money? Am I profitable? Am I profitable? But you fucking idiots out there will be impressed with the Robbins Cup. You'll be like, but Patrick, why do you not go join the Robbins Cup, Patrick? You got to join the Robbins Cup. Join the Robbins Cup. All right, I'm fucking over this shit. I'm going to go buy a new truck. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm over it. I'm going to go buy a new truck today. I need two trucks. I got the big truck, but I need a little truck. I can't have only one big truck. I need two trucks. Two trucks, more fun, more party. Drink Bacardi. All right? What we're going to close out with here. I got a song here.
Yo, man. Yo, open up, man. What do you want, man? My girl just caught me. You made her catch you? I don't know how I let this happen.
This is my AI. It's got no engine.
Next door, you know?
Oh my God. My
My
McLaren has no engine.
No engine in there.
Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Close it in. You got no engine. All right, you ready? Now come out. You got no engine.
Oh, you finna do man access to your villa. Just for son of weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer. Just to do the situation that you caught up in. To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim her, you tell her, baby, no way.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me banging on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
Wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
Wasn't me.
She saw the marks on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Wasn't me.
Heard the screams getting louder. Wasn't me. She stayed until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom door. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me?
Make sure no say that she really not a right for vex. I never used to see her make the trigger low flex. As somebody else in favor you in the complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change your specs. You know she a go bring a whatever things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know for mass. Quick
It's still going higher. It's still going higher. Pull up the NVIDIA chat. You can see NVIDIA bounce there, push back up. Nasdaq just following NVIDIA, making new highs right now, up there to the 673s. Let's go. Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Banging on the bed next door. Alright. Me and Landon are going to go buy some stuff and spend some money. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning live on YouTube. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, go ahead and do it. Peace.